Dear friends, I'm Sam Chen. This is two-bay SSD enclosure. Let's open it. Two heat-conducting silicone enclosure. Look at this. Delete, off or on. USB 4, PD, actual powerful supply. Copy, calling phone channel. Okay, let's open it and install the enclosure. First, we take the screw. One, another, open it. And first, two SSD. We need use heat conducting silicone. Open it and take it. Okay, it's salt, floor salt. Yeah, and we take another screw. Then we fit it. Okay, we need the data cable. 1, 2, and we need the USB 4. We support 14 Gbps, and then we add PD. Calling phone, it's worked.